This would be spermatogonium, primary spermatocyte. These two are diploid. Here it is forming the secondary spermatocyte. So it is undergoing meiosis 1. It's forming the secondary spermatocyte. When meiosis 1 has occurred, now it's a secondary spermatocyte. It's haploid. Here are the spermatids, but they are not fertile, right? Because they have to develop into the sperm. So spermiogenesis occurs, and they get the tail and the acrosome. They become motile. This is the oogonium, the primordial germ cell. Here's the primary oocyte undergoing meiosis 1. Here you can see the polar body is being discarded, right? So the ovum is going to keep as much of the cellular contents as it can, and just the DNA is discarded, and that's the polar body, which will die. All right, so when that has happened, meiosis 1 has been completed, and we have a haploid oogonium, which would be a secondary oocyte, which would be a secondary oocyte. This polar body may divide into two separate polar bodies, or it may not. It may just die like that. So, this might just die, or it might divide and then die. This third polar body usually will only be discarded and die off if fertilization has occurred. But here's the third polar body, and we end up with an ovum, and here fertilization has occurred, and so these are all haploid. These things are haploid, but when fertilization occurs, then it's diploid, right?